Hybe, the South Korean agency behind K-pop megastars BTS, announced on 4th of November 2021 that it plans to set up a joint venture with Korean crypto exchange Hybe to enter to non-fungible token (NFT) business. Hybe will buy a 2.5% stake in Dynamo, a blockchain-based fintech startup that runs cryptocurrency exchange Hybe, for $423.1 million, 500 million won. At the same time, Dynamo will acquire newly issued Hybe shares, a 5.6% stake, in a Seoul-headquartered music agency for $592.4 million, according to the regulatory filing. The joint venture company will create NFT photocards that will be traded on Hybe's global fan-to-artist communication app, Weverse, said CEO of Hybe, Si-hyuk Bang, and chairman of Dynamo, Chi Hyung-song, in a joint statement during the company's briefing on Thursday. Hybe's BTS NFTs will include moving images, voices of artists and more, Bang explained. On top of that, global fans will be able to exchange their digital photo cards in virtual spaces, Song said. Hybe and its subsidiaries unveiled further plans to extend the BTS brand deeper into the digital sphere. In addition to the NFT JV, there will be a BTS video game, and a webtoon business. In the briefing, Len So-yoon, CEO of Hybe America, said that Hybe and Universal Music Group are preparing to unveil a global girl group debut, too. South Korean K-pop giants are bracing for the arrival of NFTs to extend their revenue potential by turning their existing IP into digital assets. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for follow-up content.